Hello viewers, good morning. How are you all today? Welcome to Sri Purnima. I am Jyoti. We are based at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. We deal with both online and offline. Also, it's a small home-based store. If you want to visit offline and see the collections, please ping me in my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is 9150556870. I will give you the details on where to come and all. So today I have two sets of sarees again. One is a Garhwal cotton saree. This Garhwal cotton saree has the Banarasi Chanderi border with the kanji designed butta. So it's very soft material, as Garhwal is meant for its the fabric is there. So, and the second one is the cotton silk. It's a south cotton silk sarees. So I will move with the sarees. So I will describe along with the showcasing. Okay, I will give you the closer look of the sarees. Okay, so yeah, this is Garhwal cotton saree. All the sarees have the striped lines in the body part. Okay, so I will open the saree. The border is Banarasi Chanderi. Okay, the border is Banarasi Chanderi and it has the Kanchi styled butta in the border. The top border will be a tiny small border. Okay, it has the golden zari in the top border and it has the chit pallu. So the price of these sarees is 750. Shipping is extra, 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees outside Tamil Nadu, rest of the India. We have COD option also. COD is 100 rupees extra. Okay, if you want to buy the saree in COD, this is 750. Plus, if say some Salem is the district where you want to deliver, so 750 plus 60 plus 100. That is how the COD will be considered. So this is the saree. Okay, the fabric is Garhwal cotton. The fabric is very soft. It's Garhwal cotton saree. Okay, it is not starchy at all. It's very soft. It has the striped lines in the body and the border is Chanderi, Banarasi Chanderi with the butta is the Kanchi style. I will show you the closer look of the butta. So this is how the butta will be. Okay. The price of these sarees is 750. Shipping charges is extra and the pallu is of heavy chit pallu. So you can see the striped lines along with the border. All the sarees has the red and maroon combination together. So this is the orange shade. Okay, it's all this dual shade. So it's orange with pink. And I will show you the colors of this one. So all the sarees has the same kind of designs. The second one is the light pink with orange, dark pink combination. So this is saree 2 in the set. And this is green color, light green. And this is the mango yellow color. So these 4 colors are available in this particular pattern. Okay, so the fabric I am saying again, the fabric is the Garhwal cotton. The fabric is Garhwal cotton and the border is Banarasi Chanderi. The border, whichever, this is the border. So it's a Banarasi Chanderi with a Kanji styled butta. These are the 4 colors available. The price of these sarees is 750 and the shipping charges is extra. So next I am moving with the other South cotton silk saree. So these are the South cotton silk. It's a Skovey cotton silk sarees. The price is 880 rupees. I will show you the saree first. So yeah. So this is how the saree will be looking. Yeah. It has both thread and the zari works alternating together. So first the thread zari and the next one is the butta is also will be different. So in the zari the butta will be like this and in the thread butta is like this. So this is how the fabric is cotton silk. Okay, it's cotton silk. So if you maintain with the dry wash, it will be very neat. So it has a double border. One is the zari border with the alternating contrasting color border. So this is the saree look and this is the pallu. So in this saree comes with the running blouse. So this is the running blouse. So it has the same kind of color with the borders coming over. So this is a kind of beach, light pink and beach color. Okay, the color is showing in the video is different. The color showing in the video is very beach. It's a beach and pink. It has a dual shade of the beach and pink together in the real picture. So this is the sari set number 2 and the first sari. So it has this kind of zari work in the pallu, full of zari work. I will show you the weaving. Okay, it's full zari weaving. Okay, and it has the tassels in the pallu also. The price of these sarees is 880. I have other colors in this also. So I will show you the colors. It's these sarees mostly will be having a dual and shiny shade. So this is a kind of a sky blue and green double color. Okay, I will show you the saree in this way so that you can able to see the actual body color. So this is the blue and green combination, and this is a light yellow with beige combination. I'm saying the body color, guys. Okay, this is light green, and this is a mustard yellow. It's a mustard yellow color. So these are the 5 color combinations that are available. Hope you can able to see the colors clearly. So these are priced at 880. The mustard color which is showing in the video is like a golden color. It's actually a dull mustard color. I mean, not dull. The color is not this bright, and that's what I'm trying to say. So it's actually mustard yellow color, light green, and sandal. That is a beige with lemon yellow combination, and the next is a sky blue with green combination, and the last one, the which one I shown you, displayed you, is the orange with pink color combination. So these will be having a dual shaded one. So these are priced at 880. So this is 2 sets which I have for the live show. One is the Gadwal cotton and the other one is the South cotton silk. So if you want to have any enquiries, or if you have any more if you want to place any orders, please take the screenshot of the saree and ping me at 9150556870. I have given my number in the description field also. I have given the short link, direct link for the WhatsApp in the description field. So please take the screenshot of the saree. Don't go with the numbers. So description is fine, but again I have to check for backdrop the details, and then I have to show you all the pictures. So it will be best if you share the screenshot so that I can immediately have your enquiries done. So these are the details, guys. So tomorrow I will be coming up with the next set collection. So thanks for watching. Resellers are also welcome. So I forgot to say that one. Resellers are also welcome. So that's all, guys. Thank you. Bye.